There we're doing a gaming PC build. This is Corsair, I believe, case, Carbide case built for noise reduction. It's got padding inside, so this is one of those extra quiet cases. It's really nice. It's got a fan right here in the front and audio HD out in the front and USB 3. Unfortunately, the motherboard doesn't have a place for the USB 3, so there's the audio HD. There's a nice fan mounted in the back here, and in the back we have multiple fan connectors here as well, so there's room for customization if you wanted to have more intricate cooling. So for cooling, I'm going to be installing the Noctua. This doesn't need too much power, even if you get powerful video card, which you can run in SLI. That's the only time you would need more than like 600 watts, I think. So I'm going to put a 600 watt power supply in here, something of that caliber. As far as a workhorse, that's but a little pull. And there's already 16 gigabytes of RAM installed. I installed it as far away from the chip as possible so to give nice room clearance to the Noctua. Definitely wouldn't be able to probably like install that in the, well, I would be able to put it in the first slot, but I want to give it as much room as possible for me to work, actually. So it's coming along quite nice. I just started on it yesterday as soon as I got the case. And I already got the CPU in there. That's a Hexa-Core processor. So just as a general update, I got the heatsink and fan installed to blow air out from front to back. I've got a lot of the cables secure with zip ties. Still need to trim the tips. Got a Ubuntu hard drive. This is just for testing. The wiring, interestingly, goes through the other panel here and connects on the opposite end, which actually is kind of nice. It puts away some of the wires. Definitely can do a better job of wire management here, but I think overall this is a pretty sexy build. I really like it. So no video card, right? Also, so I'm gonna just this is the part that I don't like, is connecting these little things. So I'm just gonna connect these and give it a test boot. Wish me luck. I didn't test it before I put it in. So this is always kind of like a little nerve-wracking, right? Having all this hard work and equipment in there and about to test launch it for the first time. And, you know, it's like the moment of truth. Did all your purchases work out? So pretty excited about that and very nervous at the same time. And that's a touch of the anxiety disorder there. But it's fucking beautiful. I mean, look at this heatsink. It comes with attachments for, I think, 2 or 3 other form factors. I mean, chip sockets. So you're going to get that, and you're good to go there, because it's pretty much like reusable dual tower. It's a really nice heatsink. Power supply you can't beat. Corsair 600 watt, more than enough to power one video card. You get yourself a 970 or a 1070 and you're VR ready with this beast. I know. I was playing Robo Recall with this processor that's in there right now. So you're good to go. Even with that little message and everything, it's still like a beast. Alright. Okay, so the job's done. We're going to boot the box. And here we go. Power. There it goes. It's gonna flash real quick. That's very fast. Booting into Linux off of that SSD back there. So it's really good board. It's a great heatsink. It's a Corsair 600 watt power supply. Easily get a GTX 970 in there. The CPU is amazing. I personally ran GTX 970 and this CPU together to play Oculus Robo Recall, and I think it's awesome. So here it is booted, and that's yeah, that's good to ship. All right. Yeah, so this is the source of all that noise in the in the video. It's not the computer, it's my portable air conditioner.